Are you enjoying this video? If so, there are a few things that you can do that would really help Dad out. Go ahead and subscribe. Give the video a like and hit the notification bell. That would be great.
They were definitely in the wet zone. Oh yeah. Oh boy, we're already wet. Here we go.
Like, this is not what I wanted to do.
Oh no, no. Oh, we got lucky. We got lucky. Oh, I almost got a face full of water. Oh my God.
I didn't get wet.
Allie, what's up?
I know, but I didn't get wet from the shooter.
No, the shooters did not get us.
Where's my mom?
So far, so good.
Be sure you have all your gear. You'll need it for your next adventure. Thank you.
Oh, that was it? That's so short. That was it. That was it.
Then the next time.
If you enjoyed that video, why not throw Dad a good old like and subscribe and do the notification thing, or leave me a comment about what your favorite part of this video was. That would really help Dad out, and you can go check out one of these other videos. I'm sure they're fantastic. I mean, I made them, so I'm pretty sure they're fantastic. All right, yeah, do that stuff.